8 Steps to Create Children's eBooks That Sell. Look for great ideas. If you have content that could click with children, give it a try. Add visuals, comics and visual storyboards, entertain and educate. Embed audio. Embed audio to children's ebooks to add a useful dimension to books. Interactive elements, quizzes, videos, animations, puzzles, etc. add more value. Enable auto and manual play. Children can play and pause, and adjust speeds. Ebook creation services, avail end-to-end services from ideation to realization. Fixed layout EPUB conversion services, children's ebooks for multi-device access. Outsource to experts, Suntech Digital provides high-quality affordable ebook creation and conversion services with minimum turnaround time. Contact us www.suntechdigital.com 1-585-283-0055. Info@suntechdigital.com. 8